I don't know if you've heard, but most practice owners believe that if they're drowning in work, the answer is just to push harder, work longer hours. The truth is, the ones who get to that point of freedom we all want to be at, they are the ones who do something completely different. They stop trying to fix the business and they start working on themselves first because they realize that their own stress, their own reactions, their resistance to delegate, that's oftentimes the real bottleneck and not necessarily the team or the systems. And once you understand your own trigger, why it's hard for you to step away, everything changes. And here's one important insight. You cannot build a business that doesn't need you until you understand why you made it need you in the first place. So if this resonates with you, complete the practice health assessment to see exactly where you are stuck.